started. So we're just gonna make a safety comment, just so we know what everything does and it's easy to read. We're going to call this the modules comment. That's what they are. We're going to do import time for weights and import keyboard. We just installed. Now don't worry guys, if I didn't show you how to import time, it's already built into Python, so you can just import it and it will be there. But not the case for keyboard, so make sure you install it. And we're making another comment because we are going to make a print statement the same, like for safety, inside your computer to nuclear warfare, and start spamming spaces when you're not even in the game. So you're going to say wait 5 seconds you're going to do time dots 0.5 seconds. It's not always the case. That would have been it. Still can be and then we can do another comment with the top. And we are going to have two booleans. One is going to be if it's a new or not, and one is going to be the current state of the bhop. So first one, bhop, and then bhop current state like so. And make another comment. This has the actual like this once we've gotten all of this. So go ahead and enter and make another if statement. And this will actually make it bhop. So if bhop underscore enabled, like so with the colons, this is what actually makes it bhop. So we are going to do keyboard dot send in colon b like this, or no, not space like that. think we made a mistake right here. So, wait a second. If keyboard without it being too slow, right? And then we can make a last if statement defining how to like actually turn it off. So if keyboard dot is underscore pressed, I'm gonna put the key to Kim because that's the easiest in my opinion. Same thing for B. We can do last break like that. So I'm going to be safer and delete these because just you know what works. I just showed you. So you can probably keep this. That's about it. Because I don't know that like the rest of this works exactly like it does. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. So we can run it one last time so we can show you all that it works. And we'll go see just to prove to y'all that it works. So I might just open up Gary's mod, which is one of my main games. I teach y'all that, Left 4 Dead, and yeah, pretty much Gary's mod and Left 4 Dead is the ones I use. Yeah, I used to play Roblox, and that's pretty much my entire channel, but I quit it because I kept getting banned, and Roblox moderation is getting cooked, and it's just Roblox is destroying itself slowly. If it's the truth, they can try and sue me if they want, but it's the truth. Like their game's dying out, and and it's not just because I got banned once. I've been on all my accounts. All the games are getting boring. People are turning into robots, and like just everything is. They're just slowly killing itself. I know I said this like 60 quadrillion times, but Roblox is getting. I miss the old Roblox, right? And that's just my opinion. And another crucial reason is that I started playing Roblox when I was young. Like 7 actually is when I made my first account. And the truth is that we're growing up, and that's why it's dying. Because we're growing up from Roblox and going into different games. But yeah, enough of the yap. Let's test this in Gmod. So I called it Left 4 Dead 2 bhop. Okay, well, same thing, right? So, it works, but I have an extension that uses the same key for B, but who cares? Yes, it still works, but it would be cool to get a grab it, like CSGO or something. I think a huge level for this would just be, uh-oh, I think I clicked Q. Oh, bro, I'm so dumb. Q is to select stuff, and B is an extension thing. Like, it's the complete opposite of the keys you would want for Gary's mod, but yes, but it still says bhop turned off, so we know that works. Let's try this one more time, but with the core a bit. I think it's gonna look cool. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is sick. Now, of course, you can edit the time to make it more sync with your games, but this is, I'm just doing this for any game. If I was making a bhop script dedicated to one game, then I would definitely make it way better, but this, just a tutorial. That will be a whole separate video on how to add strafing. But as you can see, when you strafe in Gmod, it still looks pretty good. Just turn it off again. And it's worth for any game. So I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see y'all next video. Goodbye.